Hello DNSCNs, welcome back to the new video on my YouTube channel, a new medical content. Today's topic is regarding how can you better your vision, your eyes, how can you make it more healthy at home, what are the home tips, what are the home remedies, or what are the exercise that you can do to keep your eyes absolutely healthy and safe. Make sure you're watching this video to the very end, a very detailed video, a very educative and informative video to all you people out there. Dr. Niranjan Samani, new video on my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. Also, follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. The link is again provided in the description box. So let's start today's video. That is, how can you improve your vision by making use of certain exercise, home exercise, or very simple exercise at home and getting your vision right. Now, eyes are one of the beautiful things God has ever created. This is your vision. You definitely need to take care of it. No compromise. You need to spare some time, at least half an hour or 1 hour of your daily busy schedule to take care of yourself, especially your eyes. So I'm going to mention 7 exercises which you need to follow every single day. All the 7 exercise has to be done by you at least by sparing 45 minutes or 30 minutes of your busy schedule. यार इतना ही करना है आपको. 7 exercise, very easy, that can be done at home. Number 1, palming pose. All you have to do is rub your hand vigorously, and whatever the heat has been generated by rubbing your hands, you need to just apply it over your eyes. All that you have to do is do this thing 3 times. That's all. Very easy. Palming pose, very easy to follow. Second exercise is the blinking exercise. Very simple. All you need to do is blink your eyes 10 times quickly. After that, 20-second break. Just close your eyes. Just take a 20-second break and then again repeat the same exercise by blinking 10 times. So you need to do this exercise for 5 times with 20-second gap each. Third, point pose. Very simple. You can either use a pen or at least you can use your thumb. Just keep it straight just like that. Watch your thumb for a few seconds and then slowly get the thumb almost close to your tip of the nose. Again, watch the thumb for almost a few seconds, at least 10 to 15 seconds. You can keep on watching this. Repeat this exercise for 5 times. Again, far away 5 times. A few seconds, sorry. And then again, get it close to the tip of your nose. Watch it again for a few seconds. So you need to do this you need to do this 5 times along with all the 2 exercises that I mentioned earlier. Next is the up, down, left and right pose. Very simple. All you need to do is keep your head straight, look up, down few times and then just look straight. Close your eyes for some time, few seconds, maybe 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Open your eyes. Now it's left and right. Oh sorry, your head should be straight. That's pretty much. I look very funny, I guess, when I keep on doing this left, right, blinking things and all. Just pardon me on that part. So you got it right. That is up and down. You need to keep your head straight, up, down many times, then settle down. Close your eyes for some time, take some rest. Left and right again. And your head should be absolutely straight. Next is the diagonal pose. Again, as the name suggests, that is diagonally you need to look. Now, once you're looking here in the left top corner and then diagonally to the right bottom corner. Now, when you're doing this, again, your head has to be very much straight. Do not move your head. Repeat this exercise for several times. Few times, maybe at least 15 to 20 times. And then look straight, get some rest. Don't worry, again, the same thing. The other side, that is the right top corner to the left bottom corner, again diagonally. Repeat this exercise at least for 3 times. That's pretty much. Next is the rolling. As the name suggests, I'm very sure you guys have got it what exactly rolling is. Now when I say rolling, that doesn't mean like quickly you do that. No, please don't do that. There is a way of doing it. Sit back and head straight, and all you have to do is clockwise direction, slowly rotating your eyeballs. Repeat this for 10 times and then again take some break and again do it in the anti-clockwise direction. That is, got that right? 10 times in clockwise and 10 times in anti-clockwise direction. Last but not the least, that is the eye massage. Very simple. All you need to do is close your eyes, keep your index finger on the eyeball and just gently massage it. Keep doing this for some time and also massage your eyebrows. Very simple. So you have already gone through all the exercises that I have mentioned. So you need to do this every single day so that you can improve your vision. There are also surgical corrections that you can do to improve your vision. Now, what are those? Who can get that done? Who are the eligible people for that? That will be coming out in the next video. So for that, you need to subscribe this channel. Also hit the bell button. Also share this video as well. Like, comment and share. Because I will be getting medical content every single day on my YouTube channel, so you need to be updated by hitting that bell button. I hope you like this video. I will be getting many more comments. If you have any other topics which you want me to cover it, drop those comments, drop those topics in the comment section box and I will be shortlisting them and also making a video on them as soon as possible. So in the end, I want to tell one thing, that is, eat healthy, stay healthy, only positivity, no negativity. Until my new video comes, bye-bye DNSians.